This smoothie will fight fatigue, stress, and burnout. Hi, this is Jovanka from JovankaCIares.com, and today I have an awesome smoothie recipe. Super simple, don't worry about it. It only has 2 or 3 ingredients, your milk, and an herbal blend that is really amazing at fighting stress, fatigue, burnout, even that icky feeling. There are 4 herbs, I believe, on this blend, and I love them all, and I'm here to mention them first. Okay, the first one is Eleuthera. Don't worry if you can remember that name. It's also known as Siberian ginseng. Ginseng is in the same family of the ginger, and it is a vitality herb. They give it a lot to men, especially athletes, to help them with endurance, and it's really great at calming your nerves and helping you stay focused on a long-term basis. The second one is Rhodiola. It's also another nervine, like one of those that help you adapt to stressful circumstances, but they give it to people that suffer from a little bit of pain along with stress. So things like fibromyalgia or even IBS, anything that causes a lot of pain due to stress Rhodiola will be really awesome for that. The third one is Schisandra, which is actually a fruit, not an herb. It is considered in India and in Ayurveda the one that includes all 5 flavors, and it's considered a tonic for female reproductive system, and you can use it if you're a boy too, but it is really great for girls to help balance hormones and get your body nice and de-stressed as it deserves to be. And finally, cordyceps. So cordyceps is actually a fungus or a mushroom. The word fungus, stresses you out and freaks you out. Don't worry about it. It's a kind of fungus. It's really great to help you with stamina, with just stress as well. It's an anti-inflammatory, and it helps you improve your immunity. So now you're wondering, Jovanka, where am I going to get all those herbs? I don't know how to buy this stuff. Don't worry about it. I have the perfect blend that's already created for you. It's from a great company called Lost Empire's Herbs, and they have a blend called the Spartan Formula. So they advertise this as an herb for men, but trust me, you can use it if you're a lady as well, because it is that amazing. And it has those 4 ingredients that I just mentioned. I love this because it's super easy to use. You buy this little packet, all you have to do is add them to your smoothie, or add maybe a tablespoon or up to 2 tablespoons every morning for a few weeks. You'll start feeling how amazing you feel, how calm and de-stressed, and how you're able to go until the end of the day without having to worry about too much about how much to take or where are you gonna get all this stuff. So here is the package again. The company is called Lost Empire Herbs. The blend is called the Spartan Formula, and I'm going to use it in my favorite de-stress smoothie just now. Alright, so we're just simply getting 1 cup of baby spinach, adding them to our favorite NutriBullet. This is a frozen banana, some blueberries, then I'm gonna use, in this particular case, just 1 heaping teaspoon of my herbal blend, and some favorite alternative milk. My favorite, of course, is coconut milk, so I'm gonna add my milk, and then we're gonna blend. And we pour our yummy smoothie. So the herbs are a little bitter, and that is also amazing because it's really great for your digestion. But the banana and the fruit, of course, makes it all worthwhile. It's really, but you can almost feel it working inside of you. So it's really yummy. You can take this, as I said, just about once a day for the first 2 or 3 weeks. See how your body starts reacting. How do you start feeling at the end of every day? And see if maybe you need to increase your the amount of the herb that you take. Perhaps start with 1 teaspoon and go all the way up to 2 teaspoons a day. So I hope you love it. Let me know if you have any questions by leaving a comment below. Make sure that you share this video with all of your friends all over the interwebs, and that you subscribe for more tips and a jolt of motivation for your healthy, sexy, and beautiful life. See you soon. Issues with gas, bloating, constipation, or indigestion? Try my flat belly system, a 7-day process to balance digestion and get your belly feeling flatter, lighter, and happier. See you there.